Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.